So what's going on, everyone? Today we're looking at the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Of course, with a brand new device, you want to protect it. And today we're looking at a few cases that we can test so that you guys don't have to buy one yourself. I got a few cases for you guys to check out and see which one of these is worth your money. We have cases from JETech, Ringke, UAG. This one is from Subcase. Three of them actually. The unicorn beetle right here, and the i-Blason. Start off with JETech right here. Pretty simple unboxing actually. There you go. Of course, we have to rock the orange color. There you go. Clear design in the middle, as you can see there. And let's try it with the white 17 Pro Max. Ooh, kind of like that. Pretty nice. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like phones that are very slippery, because what ends up happening is you're holding this and it'll slip, and then what are you gonna do, right? Now let's look at Subcase right here. Again, there's three different cases here. This one says on the bottom, drop protection. We will be testing that later on, so stay tuned. Do drop tests for all of these. Now this guy is a green color, as you can see there. Again, super nice. It's more of an opaque color on the back, but again, we get this protection on the sides, side bumpers, right, like so. Let's try our phone inside. There you go. It has protection for the camera holes, flash, and even the lidar sensor, like so. You also get this stand. You can put your phone, prop your phone like that. Different angles as well. And then you can have it on the landscape as well, like so. Different angles. There's protection for the camera control right there as well. Buttons are super tactile and it's really easy to press. The sides are protected, as you could see. The bottom also has a USB-C protection, as you can see there. Super nice. Let's do one more color here. You guys can see the selections. Now this guy is the exact same thing, except it has the front protection, as you could see here. There's a difference side by side. And basically this has the 9H plus tempered glass on the front. Again, we have the same protection as the other two right here. The bumps, the USB-C on the front there. The sides are pretty nice as well. Camera control protection. And in the front, we get the tempered glass, which is an extra protection for those of you who want to protect your screen all in one. Now, another addition to this is this back part right here on all of them. So let's test this out. We have the MagSafe puck right here. And basically, it is pretty strong magnet, as you could see here. It's kind of hard to take off actually. There it is, MagSafe, like so. Pretty nice. Very great addition from Subcase there, which the JETech didn't actually have. Now next stop here is the UAG. Let's go ahead and check this out. There we go, pretty simple case. At least they have the MagSafe magnet back there. That's it for that. Let's put in our phone here. There we go. Again, pretty simple. It doesn't have any stand or anything. It has this part right here. Okay, pretty tactile, not bad. This is open though, so there's no protection for that button. And then, of course, pretty tactile, not bad. It has side protections as well. And again, we're looking at the MagSafe back here. Let's see how strong it is. There you go. And you can carry it like so. Super nice. Great magnet, pretty strong. But another downfall here is the top right here for the camera is not protected. The camera button is not protected, and also in the front it's not really protected. I know it has some protrusion sidings right here for bumps, but the actual screen doesn't have a screen protector, which is fine. The USB-C on the bottom as well doesn't have that. Doesn't have the protection, so it can get dirty while you're using this. And also, great addition there is 2 loops, so you can use this to hang on your neck, which is a nice addition for sure. Now the next one we're looking at is the i-Blason. Let's open this up and see how well this case does. There it is. Ooh, very nice style packaging. Now it has this 9H plus tempered glass as well, kind of like the Subcase. It's a nice addition. It comes with wet wipes. There you go. It has a couple of literature right here, instructions and whatnot. Some more information for the extended warranty. Really good. Let's put this away. There we go. This is a nicer finish. This part opens up like so. And this is nice for, using it as a stand for sure on your phone. Let's check this guy out. Let's try to install our phone in here. Like so. Now this definitely has the same feel as the Subcase for the 9H tempered glass screen. So they're about on par on that one. I like how it has a USB-C protection down here as well. The cutout for the speakers are really nice as well. It has this MagSafe on the back. There we go. Ooh, super strong as well. It'll definitely carry your full phone and case at the same time. Whew. Almost couldn't pull that one. Pretty nice. It has no protection though for the camera, kind of like the rest of them. Only Subcase had the protection for the camera part. What's really good about this though is you can still have a stand for it. So basically this will be able to stand like so, change the angle as well and whatnot. Pretty good.
Now you can also open it up like so you can watch via portrait mode. Then you can use this as well to hold it as a gimbal kind of to shoot video of your friends and family upwards and downwards.
Let's look at the camera button protection. Super nice. Now the buttons are super tactile as well. There's also a loop on the side right there. Just on one side though. Now overall, I'm not sure if the Subcase, I like the Subcase better. Let's look at the look. I like a more sleek design, so I like the i-Blason more than the Subcase. But if you like a rugged design, the Subcase definitely takes the cake. Now the next case that we have here is Rinky. Basically with Rinky, let's see what it looks like here. Boom. Okay, a little bit more rugged. It has no front protection, which is fine. Kind of like most of our cases here, except for a couple of cases. See how it fits with our phone. Tight fitting for sure. Okay, yeah, looks pretty good. Now, great addition right there. Kind of like the Subcase, it has the protection for the camera. It kind of bumps it out a bit. I'm not sure if that's it has a kind of like this give in the middle. I'm not too sure about that. It doesn't fit the camera all that well. The Subcase kind of sits the camera right onto the cutout. This one is more hovering. Also the same with the LiDAR sensor, mic, and also the flash. Kind of unfortunate there, but let's just keep going. Now this has a protection for the camera control, and you're able to use the camera control without a problem at all. It also has this doesn't have a tactile feel, kind of more of a soft feel there. I'm not too sure about that either. Same with the volume buttons. It kind of has this big protruding. I don't know about that. Kind of looks bad actually. I kind of like the rest where it's more tactile feel on the buttons, but it'll do, I guess. On the back, it has this stand as well. Pretty good for having it vertically and also horizontal. That's really good for that. And let's see if it's MagSafe compatible. Let's give it a shot. Yes, it is. Give it a little shake. See if it'll fall. Yeah, pretty strong. Not as strong as the i-Blason, but it is pretty strong. There we go. Yeah. So a pretty simple case really from Rinky here. On the bottom, it doesn't have any protection for the USB-C. At least it has protection for the camera control. That's a good addition. There's a loophole for that one. So only, oh, there's two. So you're able to do a neck loop there as well as the wrist strap. Really good. Great addition for sure. Overall, I'm not too sure about the Rinky. I don't like the fact that it's kind of has this give on the top here where the camera is. So this is the Rinky case. You can see there. It's about the waist high here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Pretty good. There's no bruise or nothing. Pretty good. Let's do like when you're holding it on your hand, like so. Again, 3, 2, 1. Little bump right here, but the phone is protected, which is really good. No bruise at all. Everything is pretty good. Now we have the Subcase. This is the no tempered glass on the front. Let's try this out. Again, drop test. Waist high. 3, 2, 1. Everything is well protected, as you could see here. No cracks or nothing. Front is really good as well. Let's do one when you're holding it on your hand like so. And then it slips. 3, 2, 1. No cracks or nothing. Back is still really good. The front is still really good. No cracks or nothing. Now let's do i-Blason. Again, waist high. 3, 2, 1. Definitely protected the front because of the tempered glass. The case is still really good as well. No scratches. Now let's do when you're holding it and it fell from your hand. 3, 2, 1. Again, the screen is protected. i-Blason case is still really good. No cracks at all. Now let's do UAG. From the waist high. 3, 2, 1. Little crack, a little bit. No. Oh no, it's all good. It's just a little smudge. Okay, the back is still pretty good. Let's do one a little bit higher. 3, 2, 1. As you can see there, it survived. Case has a little bruise on the side like so. Phone is still really good. Bottom, no cracks at all. Now let's do the next Subcase. I'm sure this is gonna be fine because it's the same case with the tempered glass in the front, so it should be really good. Let's just test it out anyway. From the waist high, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, super good. No cracks there, just a little dirty. Not bad. Again, let's do another one here. But up top, as if you're holding it. 3, 2, 1. Again, the screen is protected. Phone is still really good. Bottom, no cracks at all, which is really nice. Now for this guy, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this guy just because it's just a slim case. So I'm not gonna do this guy. Now thanks for watching everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new case. If you want to get any of these cases, make sure to check the links down in the description below. All of them are affiliate links and it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.